How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to your iPhone. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and if see that you are seeing the problem where your marketplace isn't showing to you. So right now I'm in the help center page of Facebook, and I'm reading this article in order for you to provide you the solution where you won't be able to see your marketplace. So in order to fix that, just check that the marketplace link is working. So if you're not able to access that link, you can try visiting marketplace from the menu on your Facebook app. So you can access marketplace in your Facebook app on iOS or on your Android too. And then you can also go ahead and check that you are on your main profile, because Facebook Marketplace isn't available for additional Facebook profiles. To use Marketplace, switch to your main profile from where you have created the account first. Your main profile is the first profile that you created on the Facebook. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Also make sure that your listing follows our policies. So sometimes what happens is when you break the guidelines and policies of the Facebook, there are possibilities that the error that you're facing where your marketplace isn't showing could be that one. So make sure that you are following all the policies of Facebook. Make sure that you only listed approve item. So that is also part of the policies of Facebook Marketplace. So make sure that you're following the guidelines. And once you see that you have all the guidelines and the things that are on place, so just simply go ahead and request a review by filing an appeal. So you can file the appeal to the Facebook that you won't be able to see your marketplace, and the Facebook team will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding solving this particular problem. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your market isn't available to you on your Facebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.